Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video guys, I have a Coach unboxing today. I look into their website because the denim is everywhere. It's very eat right now, and I didn't get any denim collection, but I did check on Coach outlet and I seen this one and it's really like. So without any further ado, let's get started. Anyhow guys, this is the box in here. Now, you know when you purchase something in Coach outlet, they don't send you the proper packaging. They don't have any box or anything. They just put everything in a box. So but this comes in here. The first thing that I ordered from them is this chain strap over here. I know I do have a Coach chain already, but those one is the longest one and it's really heavy. I don't know why I'm gonna do that, but dang, I'm not gonna use it. It's gonna hurt my back. Hopefully this one is not heavy, but I can tell it's still heavy. But this one is a shorter strap. This is only inches of this. I'll try to oh my god, I can tell that it is heavy. The chain of this is 23 inches. And I purchased this because, as you can see, if you haven't seen my Hermes unboxing, I will leave the description below or up here on both sides. So that one is a silver hardware, and it's because the strap guys is quite long, and this one is just perfect to put like a shoulder strap. That's why it's not that heavy, but when you bring it, maybe because the box as well, it's in a heavy. So it comes with this one over here, like a little Coach name logo in this one. And then yeah, I don't have my bag around here, but I was wanting to use that one or any of my silver gold hardware on my bag, to use this one or to use like a charm only. So that's the one. And the last item is this one over here guys. This one, this kitty over here, I seen this one and the Coach is having on sale. That's why I'm getting this. There's so many Coach, if you go to Coach outlet, there's so many sale and cute items, but I don't want to get anything a lot because I have a few bags in here that I didn't use as much. So I decided just get a small little items, and this one is a good price, by the way. And the name of this bag is Amelia. Oh my god, it's so weird. It said made in the Philippines. Made in my country. I don't know if you can see, guys. See that? Made in the Philippines. Oh my god, it's so weird. Anyway, the name of this bag is Amelia. This is the mini size. As you can know, I love mini bags. And it reminds me of one of my bags as well. Tadang guys, look how cute it is. It reminds me of my Chloe bag because Chloe is almost similar color. Is the materials is also like a cloth and then leather. And what I like about this one is, I don't know what the heck is going on. Oh, okay. So this is, okay. So that's the strap over here. That what it looks like guys, and the snap button, snap closure as well, as you can see. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, look at that. And they have back pocket in the back, and it's leather material on the back is also leather. And you know what, so I'll be taking off of this one so you can see what it glows. Okay, remove one by one of this. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'm struck. There's so many plastic. So this one is really protected bag. I'm gonna asking you if you're gonna keep this one put in your bag so it doesn't take moist or something. Anyway, the strap, I'm gonna struggle that because you have snap in here. Anyhow, so that's what it looks like inside. The inside is a brown suede and it has small compartment. There's only one, and the one over here is a logo's name of Coach, and they have another compartment over here which is really cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm glad I get this size because they have 3 different sizes or 2, and I love the color so much. I'm not sure if it's like a dark brown or maroon color. Look at that. It's a beautiful, perfect combination, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is the Amelia bag, and it has a logo as well here. Anyway, I can't even see. I will do what fits of this bag, guys, because it's so cute. And I might be comparison of this video one of my mini pochette or a pochette accessoire, but this is, yeah, this is so cute. It looks like maroon or dark brown to me, but it looks so cute. And maybe I will do the comparison of my Chloe as well. And the strap is trying to, I don't have to see. So the strap is not leather, it's more a cloth, and it's this color as well as like a chocolate brown. So yeah, I'm not taking off of this one. I might be bring this baby because we're going out, have a go to the food truck somewhere close by in our area. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.